Actually, nung 3 years natin, napuntahan natin ng lahat ng provinces ng Davao.
Really?
I think so. Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae. Ayan, so for today's video, papanoorin natin ang tourism video ni Katrina Ann Johnson representing Davao Province, Binibini number 25 for Binibining Pilipinas 2025. And ayun, ano ba sabi mo sa Davao?
Huh?
Oh, grabe.
Wait, don't further ko dahil ninintay ko
Davao, it's been our home for a wonderful 3 years of learning, of adjusting from being an OFW for 8 years. So,
maraming learnings.
And sobrang malaking utang na loob natin sa Davao din. Diba?
Yes.
So, without any further ado, let's watch this. Hindi natin napuntahan yun. Ano nga yun?
Farm.
Pearl Farm.
Lagta.
Kasabot na Bisaya dong?
Kasabot ko, gamay lang. Ganyan colors
Very vibrant.
Very IG.
Durian.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan.
Rojas.
Pasalubong.
Ganda rin eh. Di ba pang international ang ganda? Face card.
Very high-end.
Susunod na po na adventure. Kita-kits!
Wow. I think sa ano yun? Sa Lubi Plantation.
Hindi ba ako nakakapunta din so hindi ko ma-recognize.
Di ba? Totoo naman yun. Pag nasa Davao ka, ang dami mong pwedeng puntahan. Places that offers different kind of experiences. We've been to Davao Oriental, Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, del Sur, Occidental. Actually, nung 3 years natin, napuntahan natin ng lahat ng provinces ng Davao.
Really?
I think so. Yeah.
Hindi ko din kasi nakakalito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Occidental o Oriental. May Oriental ba? Okay.
Ang Davao Oriental, Tagum.
Okay.
Grabe ka.
Hindi ko kasi memorize kasi nakakalito.
Davao del Norte, Nabunturan siguro if I'm not mistaken.
Kasi in fairness sa Davao naman talaga, it serves as a gateway to different parts of Mindanao. And syempre, doon din, alam mo yung marami ding magagawa. Medyo modern na rin, city na rin ang Davao, ganyan. So, ayun nga, it's very high-end ng video.
Yes. Kumbaga, pero gaya nga ng sabi natin, if you really wanted to enjoy Davao, go to the different provinces of Davao. Kasi nandun yung mga magagandang puntahan, ganyan.
Yes.
But syempre, if you wanted something na parang city vibe, shala-shala lang, parang chill-chill lang na ganyan, pwede ka nang sa city, ganon. And marami ka nang magagawa, like, punta ka sa Rojas Night Market and then sa Bangkerohan nandun yung murang bilihan ng pomelo na kami sobrang tamis, but we're going back home soon, like September. Nag-declare na wala pang ticket. Ayun, and with regards naman kay Katrina Johnson, actually this is her second shot at Binibining Pilipinas. Hopefully makuha niya yung Miss International kasi face value, yung face card, it's very soft, girly talaga yung dating niya pang international.
Magamin yung mga pang international, yung parang may daladalang
sariling ring light. Alright guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo nung kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next upload.
Hey guys, subscribe na. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us in the next video. Bye.